Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you how to edit a night photo, that means the long exposure photo. Just watch that things. Okay, this type of photo. So this photo just taken by the Rifat bhai, so I'm giving all the credit to him, and I'll show you how to edit this type of photo in this Photoshop. Okay, let's start. Before the start tutorial, I want to say one thing. Please do subscribe my channel and share with your friend and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. This one is camera window and this one is a NEF file, that means a Nikon file, Nikon raw file, no raw format. So just opening image, this one. Okay, in this photo, at first we'll analyze this photo. Suppose here is building blocks, so we'll crop it out, and horizontal line maybe slightly just curve, so I'll fix it up. At first going to the crop tool, and I'm taking the ratio 16:9, and I'm just making this like that, and I'll rotate it up a little bit. Yeah, and now this one is good, and hit the okay. So now our photo is cropped, and after that I'll make a copy by pressing Ctrl J, or you can drag it and drop in these new layer options. You'll get another copy of this layer. So after that, go to the filter and camera filter again. So at first we'll work with the highlight. I'll add some highlight like 9 or 10, and whites, if you just decrease the whites or increase the whites, if you decrease the whites, all the light will be like that, and if you increase the lights like that, okay, you should increase the whites, and the highlight you should down, okay, and exposure a little bit down, and shadow you can add shadow, so don't use it too much. So after that, the blacks like that, yeah, that's good, and clarity a little bit like 20. Okay, and after that, go to the curves tool and go to the blue option, select this one and make it like that, little bit. Okay, and after that, the green options, and you can use the curve like that. Yeah, that's good. And after that, go to the camera calibration. Here is the blue options. If you use like that, no, yeah, -29 is good, and you can use this one. Okay, and green, primary green, yeah, this light look like the halogen light, so this color should be like that, -15. And hue, primary red hue, yeah, work with that, don't make like that. Yeah, this one is -8 is good. And after that, the sharpening and detailing options, at the sharpness 52, and the luminance of noise reducer like 15, that's good, and detail of like that. And now the time for the HSL, the hue, saturation and luminance hue, like aqua, if you want to make the aqua like that, so you shouldn't make it too much, -30 to 35 is good. And the saturation of aqua you can add like 9 or 10, that's good. And let's see the before and after. Okay, the before one and after one was like that. Yeah, in the before image, like, so you're getting the before one and after one. In this portion, the before one was not properly shadow or enlightened. In this photo, you're getting the enlightening options. And this building, that means the Novo Theater, this present one is better than the previous one, just because of the color or aqua. So let's go back to the editing panel. Yeah, that's good. And now then here is the orange color, the light color is orange, so luminance of orange color, if you increase this one, it will like that. You should increase a little bit, and the saturation a little bit. And the hue, if you can make this one, so don't make it like that just because of light color is not like that. You should make it hue like, yeah, 2 is good. And red color, if you want to highlight the red color, you shouldn't make like that, not pink color. The light will be like the red color. The saturation of red you can increase, yeah, a little bit, 13 or 15. And the red color should be, yeah, that's good. Luminance you can increase, but I will suggest you to make it decrease in -10. Okay, and the blue color, yeah, if you increase the blue color like that, luminance will be like that. And saturation, don't give too much, so 9 or 10 is good. And the hue, yeah, the aqua hue will be aqua like that, -41. And aqua, you can work with the aqua. So if you like this one, you should like, yeah, aqua like that, -41. And saturation of aqua 18, and luminance of aqua you can increase. Okay, that's good. And then the purple color you can add or as you wish. If you want to add, you can add or you cannot. Okay, that's good. Yeah, so I want to save this one, so I'm going to the settings and save the settings, and saving it long exposure. I'm giving the short name long or light trail. So hit the OK button. Yeah, let's see the previous one and after one. And after that I'll go to the filter and the Nick Collection Color Effects Pro. Okay, camera just Nick Collection Color Effects Pro 4 is loaded. I'm using the cross processing options, and here is lots of methods. Those are favorite to me, that's why I do use that. So I can use one of them. So what should I use? Suppose this one is enlighten, too much lightings. This one is too much. This one is good, and this one is also good. This one is good, but shadow is not properly. Just I should suggest you to, yeah, but I do like this one. Okay, select this one. You can control the strength of this. I'm giving here 33%, and all the things will be like 0 0, and hit the OK button. It will just take time to load it and save it, and it will give you the output. Yeah, the before one, and before one the non-edited raw image, and the after one is like that. So after that I want to do one thing. I want to make it more sharper, so press Ctrl J and go to the blending mode, to the vivid light, and go to the filter and other, then high pass. From the high pass I'll just give 0.5% high pass and hit the OK button. Don't give it too much, otherwise it will be like pixelite. So making group, making merge. So let's see the before one and after one. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial. If you have any kind of question, query or request, please do comment in my video comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button. And I'm ASM Arif signing out today. Until the next video, bye bye.